Hi, I'm Mike from Become a Better Guitar Player. This is lesson number 11 in our series of beginner guitar lessons. Today we're going to learn how to play a song that uses the A major chord and the B minor chord. It's a very popular song. It's called Tennessee Whiskey by Chris Stapleton. And it's basically two chords, and it's proof that great songs don't have to be entirely complicated. So let's get started with the lesson here. So we're going to start out with this A major chord. So you're going to put your middle finger on the second fret of the D string, your third finger on the second fret of the G string, then your little finger is going to go on the second fret of the B string. That's an A major chord. From that chord, it goes to the B minor chord. So to begin with, you want to be comfortable going between this A major and B minor chord. My suggestion would be to play along to a recording. I use YouTube a lot. Just listen to it and play along with it. Don't try to strum like him right off the bat. And then when he slides into the next chord, into the B, try to be on the B chord when they're on the B chord. And that's about as fast as you need to move your fretting hand. Okay, so the picking strumming pattern is a little more complicated than that. It goes. So I think the best way to break this up for somebody that's just learning how to play guitar is to mute the strings. This is something I like to do. There's going to be two things to learn on this. You're going to learn your fretting hand and you're going to learn your strumming hand. And when you're starting out, your strumming hand is it's just a whole nother element to learn. So if you can mute your strings and you can just focus on your strumming the same way, listen to a recording, play along with the YouTube video. And I know it sounds funny and it looks funny to do it, but I would play that song through at least twice, beginning to end, with my strings muted, just to get that picking pattern down. Try to get it down to where you don't have to look at your picking hand to do that. That way, you can look at your left hand. that's about how fast it is too. It's not even a very fast song, so it's a very good song to learn the transition between these two chords. And it's got a neat sort of a strumming pattern that is pretty common in a lot of country music. So if that's what you like to play, that'll also help you out. So I hope this helps you out, and if it did, like and subscribe to our channel. It's completely free and it helps us out a lot. These lessons will always be free and they'll be coming out every Friday. So see you next time. Thanks. Have a great day.